still 90% original. The collections owned by different generations of family, artifacts dated way back 16th century down to 1940s. Now the wedding photo there's a lot of family painting, couple frame upstairs. Anyway, that's them now. The present owner, 11th generation. And they will be here tonight and tomorrow night because they still sleep here every weekend. So the family is still using this house, functional bedroom upstairs. Why? Because they don't want the house to be totally abandoned. Now this is a private museum. So taking picture, video, sitting, touching, it's okay. Be careful not to break anything, right? So it's up to you where to start roaming around. Again, you go here first, at the back, garden upstairs, feel free to explore, okay? Once again, 1675, 351 years old. Feel free to roam around. Thank you.
Thank you. Ano yung baga?
Yep, Sanjay.
Ano yung baga?
Yep, Sanjay.
Ano yung baga?
Yep, Sanjay.
Mangtag sa mong kwarta mag-tip ka. Bigyan mo ng tip. Kawawa sa mga bata. Ako mo siya. Yeah, you go easy. Bigyan mo ng tip. Kawawa sa mga bata. Yeah, you go easy. Mangtag sa mong kwarta mag-tip ka. Bigyan mo ng tip. Kawawa sa mga bata. Ako mo siya. Yeah, you go easy. Tan. Nasa